how to fix the issue something went wrong on YouTube on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is open your settings. You have to check your internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, open this option of Wi-Fi. Now tap on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Now you have to tap on this option, forget this network. Tap on forget. And after you do that, again type in your password and connect to your Wi-Fi. Likewise, if you use cellular data, make sure you are connected to 4G or 5G. Also open this option mobile data, go to the option mobile data options and make sure you have toggle off for this option low data mode. Hit back to the main page of settings. After you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, you can toggle on for this option of airplane mode for a few minutes. And again toggle off for this option. Now scroll down, go to the option General, scroll all the way down, hit towards the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone, go to the option Reset. Now select the option Reset Network Settings. Now over here you have to type in your passcode and continue with the process to reset your network settings. After you do that, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these processes, your problem is gonna be fixed. If these processes didn't work for you, what you can do is open your App Store. Now search for the app YouTube. Make sure you are using the latest version of YouTube. If you see the option of update over here, just tap on it and update your YouTube to its latest version. Applying all these processes, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix something went wrong on YouTube on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.